Okay, welcome back. Sabtech Online. Today I'm going to take you through how you claim a PDU. That is on PMI Management Institute, PMI.org. So you log in ccrs.pmi.org. If you're on the homepage of the PMI website, you scroll up to the bottom, you'll see report PDUs. The moment you click on that, it will open the ccrs.org. I'm logged in. I'll first log out, show you the login page. So when you're logged out, this is how it is. It will always show you the webinars, the upcoming ones, and those ones on demand. So you can always go and watch those on demand and claim the PDUs, or you can book and have these on your calendar, the ones that are coming. So what we are going to do, we are going to log in. That is the first thing. Since I already have it saved in my passcode, I will just go ahead and log in using PMI. You can use your LinkedIn, you can use Google, whichever. After logging in the CCRS, obviously it will take you directly to your dashboard. This is my dashboard. What does this mean? These are the PDUs I've gained. I'm remaining with 5.5. It means that out of 60, I've applied for 54.5. By the way, I received my PMP. I'm recording this on 3rd December. It is 3 months ago I received my PMP, but because of the activeness, this is where I am. Yeah, at least every week I have PDUs I claim. I watch podcasts. You can watch podcasts. There are many websites. There are many providers who display free podcasts like PM podcasts a lot. You can go through, listen to them when you're driving. Then after that, you claim the code. They are good. There is a lot of info. You learn a lot just by listening. Okay, back to claiming the code. Now, first, we shall go to report PDUs. These are the options. We have education and giving back. So under giving back, there is volunteering, sharing knowledge, giving presentation, creating content, work as a practitioner. So for today, we are going to claim code if you have a code. In other words, if you attend like a session which is PMI organized, they will always give you a code to claim the PDUs. It can always be 1, it can always be 2, depending. Every PDU is equal to 1 hour. Now, we are going to start with claiming a PDU code. I have my PDU code here. I'll copy this. This is the previously ended end of year party, PMI Uganda. I was the project manager. Thanks to all who attended and making the event colorful. So, go ahead. I have a claim code. So when you click there, paste your claim code there. Very easy, apply. It's going to run and it will open the details of that PD, of that claim code. Why all this is done? Because someone applied for this, it was approved by PMI, and the details are there. So the only thing you're requested to is inputting the date when the event took place. In other words, if you input a wrong date, they will not approve it. So it is still running. So you input here the date. Other stuff is optional, like URL, contact person, contact phone, email address. All this is optional. But if you know them, please go ahead and do them. Then you can also rate the event. It was 5. So you put here the date. You have a calendar picker. It was the event was on 29th. So I'll go ahead and select 29th. Remember when they were claiming this code before it was approved, they input a date. So when you put a wrong date, then it will not be approved. So you go ahead, it took 1 day. And this claim code, it carries 8. It carries 8 PDUs. So when you're done, this is the split. You can always see the split here. You can't edit this because there's already a claim code. So after that, go ahead and agree that all the information you have put is accurate. So desist from always claiming inaccurate PDUs because they may end up blocking you or suspending you from using the platform. So make sure that you always claim codes that are accurate. So here you go ahead and save. I will not submit this because I've already claimed these PDUs, the 8 PDUs. That's one. Then if you have attended a course or a training, you do it here. Now, for me, I have attended a webinar today, which is this. I'm going to claim this. So I'll copy the title of that webinar. Go to claim. So I will come here online or digital media because it was a webinar. So I'll go ahead, open this. Just give it some time for the page to load. When the page is done, go ahead and paste this under title. Give it some time, it will load the course. So go ahead and select this. The moment you select this, it will select all the other details, the description and everything. So you come here and input the date, which was today. I will input also today. Then you can rate it. It was excellent. The presenter was good. And this was about ways of work, because depending on how it is defined. So I'll be getting one PDU under ways of work. So go ahead and select that as you agree that the information you're giving is authentic. I will go ahead and submit. So the moment I submit, boom, claim code submitted and the results given. The status, it is showing me an error. It means that something is gone wrong. So meaning that I can't claim this. This is how you do claim PDUs for the webinars you have already gone through or attended, or if it is demand where it was a pre-recorded and you have gone ahead to watch it up to the end. Otherwise, that's it. You going back to your dashboard, you just click on dashboard. Actually, it had already affected because we had 5.5, now we have 4.5 remaining. Otherwise, that is it. Bye bye. Please go ahead and follow Sabtech Online, whether you have watched this from YouTube, TikTok. Give us a follow, reach out always. We do data consultancy and we mentor in project management and product management. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.